Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to download image from URL in Python. You can download image from URL in Python using three methods. The first one is request library, the second one is wget, and the third one is URL library. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. Now I am going to open the Visual Studio Code. I am using Visual Studio Code for code editing. It is very good. Let me open the project folder which I have already created for Python. As you can see that there are no files inside this folder. I just opened the empty folder. Okay. Now let me install three libraries. You need to use the pip command to install these three libraries. Now let me install the first one. It is showing requirement already satisfied. It means I have already installed this library. So it is showing requirement already satisfied, or else it will show the library downloaded successfully. Let me install the second one. Then the third one. Yeah, it means I successfully installed all these three libraries. Now let me create a new file. Now I am going to copy and paste the code to download image from URL in Python using requests library. I pasted the code. Now I am going to save the file as app.py inside the Python folder. Okay. As you can see that first we imported the libraries import request, import shuttle. Actually shuttle is used to save the image locally. So we need to import that too. After that I declared a variable image underscore URL, then I assigned the URL. After that file name equal to, we get the file name using image URL dot split function. Using split function we remove the slash, right? After that we open the URL and set the stream to true. Then if the stream will return the true, then we will download the image. For that or equal to request dot get image URL comma stream equal to true. If the status code equal to 200 200 means it means successfully retrieved. If that means, then we will decode the content. Then we open the file name, we write using a shuttle, we save the file locally. Finally, we print image successfully downloaded. Otherwise, we will print image could not be retrieved. Okay. Let me run this Python code. I open new terminal, Python space app.py. I mentioned the name as app.py. So I am using app.py here. I just hit enter. As you can see that it is showing image successfully downloaded and the file name. When I open that, you can see that it is successfully downloaded. Okay. Now let me show you how to download image from URL in Python using wget library. I copied these codes and I replaced it here and I saved the file. Actually, it is very easy to use wget. I just imported the wget library Python module. After that, I declared a variable as like that we did before. After that, we mentioned the image file name equal to wget.download image URL. Finally, we print image successfully downloaded, then the file name. Okay. Now let me run this code again. It saved the file. Then I use the same command app.py python space app.py. It is showing the process bar and image successfully downloaded. It is also showing the bytes 70,640. It is downloaded successfully. Okay. Now let me show you how to download image from URL in Python using URL library 3. I copied the code and I replaced it here. I just imported the URL library request function module. Then we declared the file name as defaultly I declared the file name as codingdiksha.jpg. Then I declared the image URL. Finally, we are using a URL retrieve function to get the resource. Now let me run this project. Python space app.py. I saved the file, then I hit enter. As you can see that it is downloaded codingdiksha.jpg image. That's it guys. I hope this video tutorial helps you to download image from URL in Python 3. If you have any doubts about this video tutorial, then please leave a comment, we will help you. If you want to receive more videos about Python, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.